Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to show you something that I use when I frame my 6x6 tiles. This one's 8x8, but they also come in 6x6. So this comes with a canvas board in it. Sometimes I use these, but sometimes they warp, so I don't really keep them, or if I do, it has to stay flat, so then I'll use it if it's good. But you can also put in like 8x8 canvas in here. And they come in 6x6 also, which you can put a 6x6 tile in there. And this is the brand. I don't know where you could get them in the US, but I get them at my local dollar store, which is just a private little dollar store. And it's, I don't know what the brand, there's no real brand, Color Factory. Anyways, they might have them in other dollar stores, I'm not sure. So give them a search. So I'm gonna paint a bloom on this one today. And then if it turns out and stays flat, then I'll put it in my frame. And you can paint those frames whatever color goes with your bloom. I did show one 6x6 in another video. I'll put the link below in my description. Okay, so I'm going to use my Glidden Premium Eggshell house paint. I'll just have to use my scoop. You can see the thickness. It makes a trace and disappears in a couple of seconds. So it's not too thick. And your paints should be the same or thinner. I'll put a little bit more, I think. And this is my cake spinner. It's a metal one. It's very quiet and spins nicely. I got this one from Amazon. Colors today, I'm going to use some blues and some 24 karat gold, which I haven't used for a while and I love it, so I'm gonna use it today. Spreading this down, out. Well, hopefully I can get some negative space if I don't put too much color down. All right, so the colors today. This is DecoArt Sapphire and baby blue mixed together. It's a pretty medium blue. And there's a consistency. So it's pretty close to my pillow. This one is Mermaid by this little piggy. I'm going to use some orange. So this one is Bright Orange by JoSonja and some cadmium yellow mixed together. Kind of a softer orange. And I have another piggy. This is called Indigo. It's a pigment. I'm going to add a little bit. I use water and varnish to thin them down. I just made these so that I might have some air bubbles. That's better. I'm going to use 24 karat gold. It's about the same as my paint. Sometimes this is 24 karat gold by JoSonja. Sometimes metallic paints thicken up quick. And then I'm going to put some ultramarine blue on top. Just add a little more water. Amsterdam ultramarine blue. Kind of takes over, so I'm not gonna put a lot. Now I'm going to use white and black Sheleeart over today. So I'll put the white underneath. If it makes a little halo around there, then it's pretty good. And this is my black, oxide black. I'll use my mini bowl. Oh, that looks very pretty. And when you put the white cell activator under the black, you'll get like peacock cells. I'm just going to let the middle come back. I'm gonna whatever color you put on top usually outlines your bloom. All right, let's see. Middle is still stuck a little bit. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to spin it and see what happens. Looks so much darker in the camera. Look at that gold through there, so pretty. When your middle stops moving, that's usually a good sign that you don't have to spin anymore. And I have some negative space. I think it might be good. Okay, let's just see if it's moving anymore. Barely. Give it another small spin. Okay, I think I'm good. I'm going to let this dry. Let's see what it comes out like. Look at that right there. Isn't that pretty? Some here. This is pretty too. Love it. Thanks for watching. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. And please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this. Comment below and check out my description under the video. There's more tutorials and recipes. Have a good day. Hi everybody. So this is drying well, except it's a panel and it's warped a little bit there. So, but it looks pretty. I'm going to see if, when it's dry, see if I can flatten it. And then I'll be able to put it in the frame that I had. This. See if I can show you. So that's how I bought it. It came in this frame. So you can paint the frame whatever color you like. Put that in, looks nice. So we'll see. Let's see if I can flatten it out. But you can, this is a 8 by 8, I believe. They also come in 6 by 6 where my ceramic tile fits in. All right, have a good day everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room.